Winding up for trade, and it's definitely been quite a fall that one has seen from the session highs. Tomorrow, of course, being expiry. Look at a Siemens, that's still going home a winner. About almost over 5.5% up move is what that stock has seen. There's, of course, been HAL. Trent has seen a decent bounce. It's back at those 5,300 odd levels. And then AU Small Finance Bank, which is part of Goldman Sachs strategic stocks, that also is holding up quite smartly in trade. But for the rest of the movers, I'm going to hand it over to Snehi.
Absolutely. Let's take a look at what the market action has shaped up to be like in today's trading session. It's been a very somber trading day for us, and we've seen massive cuts coming in from the day's highest point. If you take a look at where the Nifty has ended from the day's highest point, it's 250 point cut coming in for the Nifty on an intraday basis. Although on the spot basis also it's lower by roughly 200 points. We've struggled to even hold on to the 23,500 mark. At one point of the trading day we were above the 23,700 mark, so looking very somber when it comes to the Nifty. 58% cut coming in over here. Sensex also, not surprisingly, in tandem with the Nifty, slightly steeper cut coming in over here. So it's a 1% cut coming in for the Sensex in today's trading session, also looking very somber. Let's pull up Nifty Bank, because 0.7% cut is what we are seeing on that index as well. It's a lackluster trading session from both private banks as well as PSUs, so looking very mellow on that note as well. Advance decline ratio barely in any stocks in the favor of the advances today. It's very steeply in the favor of the declines. On the back of that, let's pull up in India Wix and see why the India Wix level has ended in today's trading session. It's lower, it's on the lower side, so at least that is something that's been going on for our markets on the better side. Let's take a look at some Nifty 50 gainers. IndusInd Bank, Trent, Hero Moto, Bharti Airtel, Grasim, HCL Tech, all of these stocks have been winners in today's trading session. On the flip side, NTPC, Tech Mahindra, Cipla, BPCL, Bajaj Finance, Axis Bank, Infosys. So it's really been a mix of IT, private banks and pharma that have not done all that well in today's trading session. Let's talk about some sectoral gainers and losers today. Nifty Auto, surprisingly, the only sector that was standing in the green for the longest time, has also managed to end rather flat. Okay, it's on the flat line, so little bit of a shade of green, but there you have it. It's flipped into the red. So between the red and the green is where Nifty Auto is. All sectors have ended in the red today. In the first half, at least, you had auto and metals that were doing well, but steep cuts coming in across the metal index as well. You have FMCG, metal, pharma, energy, IT, PSU Bank, Realty, and Nifty Media is your biggest loser in today's trading session. That's the pecking order of all the stocks. Let's throw some light on some of the big gainers in today's trade. Like Aisha mentioned, Siemens is one stock that has managed to hold up very firmly in today's trading session on the back of the split of its Siemens Energy India business. So that stock is also up by almost 6%. Bharat Dynamics, big order win coming in, 4,632 odd crore rupees. That stock has also done pretty okay in today's trading session. That's Bharat Dynamics we're talking about. HAL, now that stock has been a high flyer from the midday mark in today's trading session on getting the news flow that GE Aerospace has delivered first of the 99 combat aircraft to HAL. So looking good for that stock, and 3% uptick is what that stock is also seeing. NCC, two big order wins coming in, roughly about 10,800 crores is the total size of the order. 1.5% higher is where NCC has ended in today's trade. Now on the back of some brokerage action, watch out for Zomato and Swiggy in tomorrow's trade. Negative note coming in from BofA, a price cut as well as a stance cut coming in. Swiggy and Zomato both have ended in pressure. Also watch out for Zomato in tomorrow's trading session on the back of the Nifty 50 rejig that's going to be happening tomorrow. Zomato is going to be replacing BPCL and Jio Financial is going to be replacing Britannia. So watch out for how all four of these stocks act. But well, with that, we'll conclude today's trading session. That's how we are shutting shop for the day. We'll give the rates some time to settle, but nonetheless, very steep cuts coming in on the Nifty 50 in today's trading session. We have snapped the 7-day winning streak that we were seeing on the market.